Here's where you can go to delete all the words that your Gboard keyboard learned over time since you started using it. And this is for Android phones or Samsung phones with the latest 2025 update. To find this and clear out all the words here, let's just say you're about to start typing, your Gboard keyboard pops up like this here, and you want to tap on the settings icon right there. From here, within the main settings, you will go down the list until you see privacy. Once in the privacy section, you will go down past all this until you see delete learned words and data. You'll simply tap on this area. This is going to pop up like this here. And when it pops up, it's going to show you all the amount of words you learned. And in order for you to actually delete all the words, you're going to enter the following number to continue. So if I have 3538, I'm going to put that in there. That would be the code, and that's going to remove all the words that my Gboard keyboard learned. This is only going to be for your Gboard keyboard. Every word that it might have memorized or all the saved suggestion words, that's what it's going to remove, but nothing else on your phone, so don't worry. However, once you do this, you cannot undo this process, and in order for your Gboard keyboard to relearn those words, you'll just have to repeatedly type them as you go on and tap on them while they appear in the suggestion strip bar. And that's that. Like and sub.